Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston, located on Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a 2019 Scout 175 Sportfish. Starting off with the exterior color of the boat, this is the sharp gray hull color. Here in the bow, we've got this equipped with the sports package. Has the bow cushion, trolling motor plug, and the stereo. We've got 4 Fusion speakers, Bluetooth speakers throughout the boat, 2 forward and 2 aft. We have a removable cooler cushion seat forward of the console with a nice backrest. Plenty of back support, falls just beneath your shoulders. We have recessed cleats midship. Storage inside the console. It's also where your batteries are located. On this boat we have the standard twin captain's chairs. They swivel and move forward and aft 360 degrees. There's also a footrest that deploys and stows away at the helm. Lockable glove box storage on the helm as well. Digital gauges from Yamaha, aircraft style toggle switches that illuminate at night for safety. Really nice, thick, substantial stainless steel grab rail and windshield on top of the console as well. This boat is equipped with a 90 horsepower engine from Yamaha. And then further aft, we have 2 rear deck jump seats. Beneath the port side jump seat, you do have a live well on this boat, in addition to optional removable backrests for some added comfort for your passengers on the aft end. And of course, we also have the bimini top for extra sun protection and coverage. Again, my name is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston, located on Daniel Island. Please give us a call at 843-747-1889. Visit us online at marinemax.com, and always check out our Facebook page for the latest happenings and new events and boat arrivals with your local MarineMax store. Thank you very much, and we'll see you soon.